Engineering powered by Google. So the agenda of our of our event info session is what is GDSC? GDSC is a Google Developer Student Club, our community group for college and university students interested in Google Developer technologies. Students from all undergraduate or graduate programs with an interest in growing as a developer are welcome. By joining a GDSC, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. Overview of 2020. So the overview of 2020 of GDSC is info sessions, speaker session, tech talks, hackathons, Android Studio Jams, prior programming experiences, Android Studio Jams new to programming, surprise announcement, Google events, Kahoot, meet the team, how to become a member, and the last is Q&A. I would like to introduce to our Google Developer Student Club lead, that is Pratik Kare. He is a third-year computer engineering student. He is a front-end developer, Linux enthusiast, community taught graphic designer and photographer, exploring the world. You can connect with him on this link.
Okay, thank you, Srushti. Thank you for the introduction. Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Pratik and we'll go with the session. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. What is Google Developer Student Clubs and why should you join a Google Developer Student Club? So basically, as Srushti mentioned, Google Developer Student Clubs are community groups for college and university students interested in Google Developer technologies. So the main focus on in this club is on the various Google Developer technology like Android, Google Cloud, and Flutter. So students from all undergraduate or graduate programs with an interest in growing as a developer are welcome here. So it is not mandatory that student should be only from our college. If the student is from another college and the college do not have a Google Developer Student Club chapter, so they are welcome to join our chapter and they can learn with us. So basically, and there is no restriction of a stream, so that like only computer science student or IT students can join. A student from any stream can join this club. So by joining a GDST, student grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solution for local businesses and their community. So basically, we try to build solution for local businesses. If some local business approaches us, we'll build solutions for them. Like if they want a website or if they want a simple application for their business, we will help them in that case. And also students, like what do you mean by peer-to-peer learning? So basically, there is like anyone can teach everyone. So it will be a peer-to-peer connection. So it will generate a big network of developers. So basically, these are some domains which we are exploring this year in GDSC. So basically, we are focusing on AI, ML, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. We are also having some events on open source. We are also going to see web development, front end, back end, full stack also, and we are also going to see about cloud computing. So we have some events regarding the cloud computing domain. And next we have mobile app development. So if you are interested in making Android applications by using Android, like let's say Kotlin and Flutter, so both are included in this. And the last one is DevOps. So this is like not a lot of people are knowing about DevOps. So this year we are also starting with DevOps. So these are some domains we will be exploring this year. So like I request you to join this link. So just go to slido.com and enter the code here, which is named as domains. So just go to slido.com, or you can scan the QR code also. Like anyone from the team, please drop this link in the chat so people can join. So just join on slido.com on and enter the codes hashtag, like there will be a hashtag there, and enter the code as domains. It will ask you for a code, so enter just domains here, and when you are done just reply in chat that you are done, so we will move forward with it. Please go to slido.com and enter the code as domains. I hope everyone is doing it, and just mention in chat if when you are done, so other people can know that, so we will know that you are done and we can move forward with it. So just type in the chat you are done when you are done. Okay, I can see some messages. Okay, done. We will wait for 1 minute, so it's 3:15 now. We'll wait till 3:16 and let everyone join. Go to slido.com. There is link in the chat also, and enter the code domains. Okay, a lot of people are saying done. We'll wait till 3:16. Okay, I guess everyone has joined. You can still join. Okay, so we'll the code is domains. Just type domains, and you will see a message to join the event. Okay, so I hope there will be a poll visible to everyone right now who have joined using their phone or laptop. So just vote your interested domains here. So we will see a live. Okay, so AIML got to 100%. Okay, so just vote, guys. Let's see which domains rank up high and which domains go below. Let's see what are you guys interested in. So web development is on the top again. Okay, AIML is on the second, open source on the third. Okay, there seems to be a battle between AIML and web development. Okay, both of them match. Okay, let's see, 32 people, 34 people have voted, 39. Okay, you guys can still join at slido.com and enter the code as domains. Okay, AIML is on the top again, 60%. Web development on the second place. Okay, web development on the third, open source on the fourth, cloud computing, and last is DevOps. Okay, 52 people. Okay, there are also people are voting right now. I guess 52 people have voted, 55. Okay, people are still joining. If anyone is having doubt or anyone joined right now, just go to slido.com and enter the code as domains and vote your interested domains, in which domains you have interest. Okay, 55 people have voted. Okay, it's a tie between AIML and web development right now. Okay. So I think that's it for this one, I guess. So basically AIML is on the top, web development on the second place, app development on the third, open source fourth, and cloud computing and DevOps is at the last. So basically you guys have the most interest in learning in AIML. Okay, web development topped again. Okay, so those two are you guys are most in AIML and web development. Okay, so we will try to have more session on those for you guys. Okay, so I think this is done for the poll right now, so we will move forward. Okay, so let's see like upcoming year overview. So what are we going to do in this cohort of GDSC? So basically in September to October we are having a cloud campaign coming right now, so you will get notified as soon as the cloud campaign is launched. So next we are having Android campaign, and after that Flutter campaign. And then there is a very important event. I will be going to brief you about this solution challenge. So keep hanging for that. So solution challenge is there, and after that cloud campaign 2 is there. So we are also having one more cloud campaign, and after that we will be having a web development campaign, and lastly we'll having a ML machine learning campaign. So this is the whole overview for the year 2021 to 2022 till the month of May. So what are the benefits of joining the community? So what will you get by joining the our club, which is GDSC? So basically you will get to improve your skills, get an opportunity to learn and teach others. So it is said that when you teach others, you also learn more. So basically we follow the same principle here. So you will get to improve your skills by teaching others, and also others can teach you. So it will be a win-win situation for both the parties. So this will be one of the benefits. So next benefit is access to Google developer resources and opportunities. So we have two WhatsApp group for our community groups, and so on those we sent out various opportunities, various internship opportunities are there, or various like there are some programs for students which are organized by various authorities. So those are mentioned in our WhatsApp group, so you can avail that and you can grab those opportunities. And access to Google developer resources, like you will get Google Cloud credits, Google Cloud Quick Lab credits, and various practice labs for Android and Flutter. So those Google developer resources are available for each and every member of GDSC. So it is one of the major benefits. Okay, so chance to grow personal and professional network. So by joining a community, you will get to know a lot of people. You will get to know, you will get to meet a lot of new people. So in that case, you will also grow your personal as well as professional network. So you will make some new friends who have same interest as you, and you can also build projects together, and it can also help you making a professional network. So you can learn like how to work in a project team, and how do we approach a project, and what technologies, and how should we implement those technology in our project. So you will get to build your network and expand your network. That will be one of the benefits. And last benefit will be awesome swags and goodies from Google on completing various milestones. Let's say last year we had a program called 30 Days of Google Cloud. A lot of people received nice and cool T-shirts and some bags from Google. So but swags are a secondary part. The first thing is you will gain a lot of knowledge and you will meet a lot of people. So this is a motivation for you guys. So like having some goodies also there. So this is one of the perks joining our community. So let's have an overview of the year 2020, what we had in the last year, what events we did. Okay, so first event was, as I said, 30 days of Google Cloud. So in that event, there were two quests to complete, two tracks to complete, and whoever completed those two tracks or one track received some swag from Google, and also they got a lot of hands-on on the Google Cloud platform, which is beneficial to them by a industry standard, because a lot of people, a lot of companies are implementing Google Cloud in their ecosystem. So it becomes very easy to work in those companies. So when you say that I have completed this program and I have a good experience with Google Cloud, so it becomes easy in terms of placement also. And next event we had Hacktoberfest, which is open source. So in that event we talked about Git and GitHub and how to participate in Hacktoberfest. And other than that, there was this big collaboration of 150 DSCs all over the India, which was named as DSC Wow. And a lot of hackathons were organized, a lot of tech talks were organized, and there were a lot of prizes also involved in this. Our DSC was organizing DSC in that event also. So that was a very big DSC event. And other than that, we had a Android Study Jams, which is basically Google provides us resources and code labs to learn Android. So which is based on Kotlin. So you will get to like you will, as I said, Google provides various resources. So this is one of the case where Google provided us with resources with code labs, and we had some Android for Android Study Jams. We totally had 3 sessions. So this was the first session, which was the introduction to the Android and introduction to the Kotlin. So next one was there were 2 tracks. So basically, if you are new to programming and if you have some prior experience, so there were 2 sessions. So basically, one was for people who are beginners. They can join this session and learn what is the basics of Kotlin and what is the basic of Android. And the next session was for programming experience people. So let's say you have experience with some Java coding or let's say Kotlin. So this session was for those people. So it's not like if you are a beginner, you are not welcome here. You are most welcome if you are a beginner. And the last event we are going to talk about is the solution challenge event. So this was a Flutter bootcamp. So this event was based on Flutter, and we made a simple tic-tac-toe app in this session and showed everyone like how to use Flutter and what are the basics of Flutter. So these were all the major events we had in the last year, and also we are planning some great sessions for you guys this year also. Okay, so as we mentioned in the emails and WhatsApp messages, there is going to be a surprise announcement. So we are collaborating with we are collaborating with someone. So I guess I'll just reveal it. So we are collaborating with Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and this year Aditya Birangal, who was also the ex-DSC lead, has become the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and we are collaborating together with those 2 communities. We are collaborating together, and we are trying to make a big community of developers in our college. So over to you, Aditya.
I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible, perfectly audible.
Okay. Thank you, Pratik, for introducing me. And okay, so let's see what is like Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador is and what they do and how this will benefit you all. So next slide, please. So basically it's like a same community, and we will help like a student to build their coding skills through Microsoft Learn platform. So there is separate platform for Microsoft where you can learn about Azure, .NET, and different Microsoft technologies. And also we will try to organize some good hackathons, and also we will solve the real time like real world problems which will help community. And also like certification, like there are some Azure certification and Power BI certification. So these industry standard certification that you wanted to like earn in like our course in like third year also. So that also we will help you to like get training and also provide the resources so you can get these certificates. So yeah, next slide please. Okay, so some we will talk about some benefits and some things we like which you can get. So there is mostly we will focus on Azure, but not only Azure. There are like other technologies also we will focus collaborating with Google Developer Student Club. But Azure will be our prime focus, and also like we need like to host website and use Azure services. For that we need some credit. So basically Azure provide $100 credit to all the students. So we will tell how you can earn these get these credits and use that credit in your project. So that we will talk in our upcoming event. We will organize many events in this year. So yeah, in first event we will tell you. And also like you all know, like GitHub is like acquired by Microsoft. And also we will like talk about the open source and Git and basic of Git and GitHub, and also the like Hacktober is coming up, so we will trying to organize many events for that, so you can like beginner can learn like Git basic of Git and GitHub, and also those who have some knowledge they can contribute in some real world open source project also, that we will talk. And also like Microsoft organize like Imagine Cup challenge every year. So we will try to build some teams and participate in that, so we can win prizes and trip to like USA. Like if we perform very well, then we can get. But for that we have to like qualify many rounds and all that stuff. But we'll try how we can get this. And yeah, so apart from that there are many benefits, but these are primary. And also like certification thing I have taught, like those students who are in third year now, they might know like we have to do certification like a professional certification. So like our college placement cell made it compulsory. So yeah, so these are the certification like Microsoft offer. Not only these, there are many, but these are the some primary certification. So we will help you to like get this certification. And also Microsoft provides training regularly through Microsoft virtual dates. And also we will try to organize some uh, like we sessions, like big sessions to solve your doubts and make you familiar with this technology, so you can appear for this examination. Also we will provide you some questions and like everything which you need to qualify that exam. Not only also like this exam cost you maybe 3000 4000 something. So yeah, Microsoft generally provides coupons to students, so we can distribute that coupons to you. And also sometimes like there are some events are organized by Microsoft itself, so we will ask you to join that event so you can get this. And also you we will help you to like end to end help, like end to end products in same way, like we will provide a full support to get you certified in this at least of the fundamental things. So yeah, so that is a big benefit, and that certificate you can show to our placement sale also. So two things you can get in one go, like skills and our college formalities also. Next slide please. Okay, so why you should like join like its community. So you can like meet different people and form the teams and participate in hackathon, that will really help you to grow. Okay, so and you can get the deep knowledge of like how community work and how everything works here. So that will really help you to make a difference in world and grow your soft skills as well as tech skills. And next slide. So yeah, lastly, I just wanted to say you that be a force for good locally and globally. So we have to become like a force to like we have to impact our local, and that will slowly and gradually become global. So yeah, be a force for good locally and globally. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for that introduction to the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program, Aditya, and congratulations for being selected. We are hoping to have some awesome sessions in collaborations. Okay, so towards the Google events part. So as I mentioned, there is a big event by Google which is named as Google Solution Challenge. So I will explain a brief about it. What does it mean and how does it happen? So basically, the Developer Student Club Solution Challenge mission is to solve the one of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals using Google technology. So their terms and conditions are, so basically you need to at least implement one Google technology in your solution which are based on these 17 problems. So like there are some these 17 sustainable development goals by the UN. So basically like no poverty, zero hunger, good health, quality education, and there are 17 of this. So you need to solve a problem based on this 17 situations and implement any technological solution on this 17 problems and submit your idea to them, and they will bifurcate this idea and you will qualify some rounds and you will like increase in rounds. And if your challenge is selected, like what are, like if your solution is selected, what are some of the benefits for it? So let's say if you made it to the top 50 team, so you will receive a customized mentorship from Googlers and expert to take your solution to the next level. So if your solution is really good and if you make to the top 50 all over the world, you will receive customized mentorship from Googlers. And if let's say you make in top 10 finalist, you receive additional mentorship, swag, a 1 year subscription to Clear site, and the opportunity to showcase solutions to Google developers all around the world at Demo Day live on YouTube. So this is a part, this event Demo Day is also part of this solution challenge. So basically it happened in the last month. So in that Demo Day, top 10 solutions from all over the world are presented to everyone and they are made open to voting, and some best and top 3 winners are chose from those 10 finalists, and those top 3 winners receives a Chromebook, a coffee chat with Google executive, and a feature on the Google developers blog. So basically for this year we want you guys to participate, show max participation in the Google solution challenge, make teams, and based on these 17 problems, try to solve one of the problem and submit your solution. So keep an eye out in the next semester. It will be out in the next semester. So like keep following us on social media, so you will get update about it, and also keep an eye on our emails. So we will update you all about it. So it is a very good competition which is organized by Google. And so yeah, next talking about one more Google event. So this is not a competition basically, but it is a developer event at conference type. So basically it is named as DevFest, and DevFest India is happening in the month of October, starting from October 22 to October 24. So this, you can see there is one URL right here, devfestindia.com. Just go to this URL and register yourself. So it is the India's largest annual developer fest organized by Google developers group across India. So like we have Google developer student clubs in our college. There is one more organization which is run by Google, which is known as Google developer groups. So a lot of working professionals are working in these Google developer groups, and they coming together organize DevFest. So it is a national level event. Try participating in DevFest. You will get chance to like learn a lot of new things, like what is new in technology right now, and you will also get chance to earn a lot of Google swags also. So it is one of the best events that happens every year. So just go to this link devfestindia.com and register yourself. It is happening from October 22 to October 24. A lot of experts speak in this event, so I request you please go there, go check out their website and register for the event. Okay, so as we mentioned, we are having a fun quiz. So I hope you guys are familiar with Kahoot. So we are having the quiz on Kahoot. Okay, so I guess we'll start with the quiz. Just go to kahoot.it and enter the game pin, which is 1606664.
Somebody can like paste that in chat also. Game pin.
Yeah. And also paste the game pin also. Okay.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So SJ has joined, Pawan has joined. Okay. Okay, guys, join fast. I guess we have limit of 50. Let's see what happens. Giri, Raj, Kazhar has joined. Shruti, Pratik has joined. Kaustubh. Okay, guys, start joining. Okay, 36 people has already joined. Okay, there are total 66 people. We are still waiting for some more people to join. 38 people have joined. Just go to kahoot.it on other device or the same device which you are having the Teams on, and just go to and enter this pin 1606664. Okay, 43, 44.
So there might be a condition that only 50 people are there.
Yeah,
So try
like
fast.
if someone is having like doubt how to join, you can paste it in the chat, and you can also raise your hand if you want to
Paste
speak.
this link. Go to this link. Okay, 50 are
people.
there. So I will try to join from my side also mobile. So I will no. Okay, 51.
People are joined. Okay, 51 is there. Okay, we'll wait for 1 more minute. It's 3:41. Let's wait till 3:42. If someone has issue, you can type in chat or you can raise your hand.
Pratik, check the game pin. Is it correct in the chat or not?
Yeah, it's correct actually. 1606664.
Okay.
Okay, let's wait for 1 more minute. Okay.
Till then, let's see what are the creativity in the username. So
Okay.
okay, there is one BGMI, I guess. Big fan.
There is also one name spoiler.
Spoiler.
Munna Bhaiya is also here. Okay.
Okay, Munna Bhai.
Nice.
SSP, Battle Sage.
Bingo. Battle Sage. Okay, Niranjan, I think we'll start.
Okay, guys. So I'm going to start. Fun with facts. You will get only 30 seconds, and who will answer fastest will get the highest point.
Okay, so first question is, when was the first email sent? Okay. 10 answers, 15. Okay. 15 seconds remaining.
There are only 7 questions, so there is a chance that someone can get all 7 right.
Yeah. Okay. So the answer was 1971.
71.
Okay.
A few people thought like 1966 is the answer, but
Okay, let's see who is at the top.
Mukesh.
Okay, Mukesh is
PGMI is also the second. So let's see.
Okay, let's
I
see.
will move to the second question. So if you are paying attention to the PPT, you might answer this question correctly.
Okay, this is a very simple question if you are paying attention, right?
No need to pay attention. Like even they are participate in last year. They know.
Yeah, yes, right, exactly. Okay, 40 answers in.
I'm
Last 5
expecting
seconds to go.
90% of the attendees should get the answer right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I guess like this 13, 7 and 8 people are also somewhat right.
Somewhat right.
Yeah.
They are not wrong. But yeah, all of above is there.
Okay, let it be. Let's move to the next. Okay, Pawan is rising.
Okay, Suraj Rathod is at the 4th, Munna Bhai is at the 5th place, up 15 places. HB is the highest climber. Okay.
Let's move to
Let's
the next
go
question.
to the next question. Yeah.
Third Android version.
Okay. What was the name of the third Android version?
I still remember my first Android was Android version 4.
Yes, Mohammed, you are getting you have to choose one of the options which are visible on the screen. So triangle is for gingerbread, diamond is for honeycomb. So you will have to tap on your phone for that. So it
Which
will
is the
register your
latest
answer.
version, by the way?
What?
It's Android
Latest
12. Android version
But the
12.
name of chocolate.
No, Google dropped the naming scheme, so it will be just R, I guess, from.
Okay,
So,
let's see.
okay, Srushti.
Sushti is at the top, Munna Bhai at second place, Abhi is at the third place, Suraj Rathod at fourth, Ganesh at fifth, and last year up 22 places, Pratik Shetty is the highest climber. Okay.
मुन्ना भैया कालीन भैया नहीं है लेकिन.
What happened to BGMI?
BGMI
अभी तक
dropped
था
down.
top 5 तक. Okay.
Okay.
This is very.
Okay, this is a very tricky question. Let's say who are the hardcore Instagram people here? Okay, a lot of people were right. Okay.
चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या रिजल्ट आता है.
Okay, Shruti again at the top. Suraj Rathod has moved to the second place. Ganesh at third place, and Pawan is at the fourth, and Alpha is at the last. Okay.
Okay,
And the
let's.
Komal is highest climber for this question.
Let me again tell you, जो फास्ट करता है आंसर, सबसे पहले आंसर करता है, उसके स्कोर ज्यादा बढ़ते हैं रिलेटिव टू अदर. सो ट्राई टू आंसर क्विक.
फास्ट करो बट सही भी करो. Okay, Carriers was Indian. Okay, ये थोड़ा सा
डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है.
डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है ये.
पर जिसने सुना है उसको याद रहेगा हमेशा. ये आई गेस मैंने ये स्कूल में सुना था. आई गेस इसके ऊपर एक इंग्लिश में चैप्टर भी था.
10 seconds to go.
ये अभी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ओन करता है आई गेस.
हाँ. बहुत हिंट हो गया.
आउटलुक करेंगे
फिर भी दो ऑप्शन.
ओके, चलो मेजॉरिटी लोगों को पता था.
सही है. हॉटमेल. Okay, let's see what are the charts. Okay, Ganesh at the top, Shruti at second, Munna Bhai again at third, Api at fourth, and Shrey is at the fifth place. Okay. Okay, Tokyo is here. Tokyo has the highest climber for this question.
मुन्ना भैया से मुझे बहुत उम्मीद है.
देश का नाम रोशन करो.
क्रिप्टो करेंसी अभी बहुत हाइप चल रही.
Okay, this is a very simple question. I guess everyone will get it right. .15 seconds to go.
क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान दो, यूज टू रिकॉर्ड लिखा है, स्टोर नहीं लिखा है. रिकॉर्ड.
5 seconds. And we are done. Okay, so the answer is blockchain.
बहुत लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि क्रिप्टो करेंसी स्टोर करने वाले हैं, इसलिए डिजिटल वॉलेट कर रहे थे, पर ब्लॉकचेन आंसर था. देखते हैं. गणेश जी को हराना मुश्किल है, आई गेस.
ओके, ये क्वेश्चन स्ट्रीक ब्रोकर निकला. ओके,
ठीक है.
अभी गणपति का फेस्टिवल चल रहा है ना, तो गणेश जी फर्स्ट है.
चलो, लास्ट क्वेश्चन.
What design framework was invented at Google? Okay, this is used in Android.
Hint है वो.
हाँ. Ten seconds to go. Okay,
इसमें मेजॉरिटी ने गलत आंसर दिया. तो
बूटस्ट्रैप वेब डेवलपमेंट का है, बट मटेरियल डिजाइन इज फॉर एंड्रॉइड बेसिकली.
बूटस्ट्रैप आई गेस ट्विटर करता है वो, आई गेस, आई एम नॉट श्योर.
ओके,
अरे बूटस्ट्रैप ही सुना होगा, बाकी कुछ सुने नहीं लग रहे.
इसीलिए मे बी. ओके, लेट्स सी द पोडियम.
क्या लगता है कौन आगे होगा? मैं नेक्स्ट कर रहा हूँ, पर कौन?
रुको एक नेक्स्ट मत कर गाइस. चैट में गेस करो कौन विनर हो सकता है, किसी को अगर गेस करना है तो.
फिर सृष्टि दे, आई गेस.
एंड मुन्ना भैया भी कंपटीशन में थे अच्छे खासे. तो चैट में टाइप करो किसको लगता है कि कौन जीता होगा. लेट्स से किसका गेस सही निकलता है.
आई गेस कि
ओके, सूरज राठौड़ इज सेइंग मुन्ना भैया. ओके, सेजल इज सेइंग श्रुति.
जीतेगा भाई, जीतेगा मुन्ना भैया
जीतेगा. प्रोफेसर जीतेंगे. ओके, लेट्स सी हु इज ऑन द पोडियम.
थर्ड सूरज राठौड़. ओके, कांग्रेट्स.
कांग्रेचुलेशन सूरज.
मुन्ना भैया
एट सेकंड प्लेस. ग्रेट.
फर्स्ट कौन है?
फर्स्ट वन इज गणेश. ओके, गणेश ओपी. Okay,
runner up
spoiler. Spoiler and Raj Pandey.
Spoiler दे नहीं पाया.
Okay, can we get the names? Who is Munna Bhaiya? Okay.
चलो,
guys, please hand raise कर दो and please drop your Instagram in the chat section.
कोई गलत मत डालो, हम देखेंगे. स्क्रीनशॉट खींचो अगर आप विनर हो तो.
गणेश, मुन्ना भैया एंड सूरज राठौड़, प्लीज अपना इंस्टाग्राम शेयर कर दो चैट में.
आपको फीचर करेंगे हमारे हैंडल पे.
Okay, please mention your Instagram handles in the chat. Okay, so that was a lot of fun. Okay, let's move. Let's move forward. Okay, so the quiz is done. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, so let's meet the team. Let's meet the team behind GDSC.
Yes. So let's meet the team. So this is our faculty coordinator, Jayavant Devre sir. He is AWS certified solution architect, AWS cloud faculty ambassador, AWS trainer, Python data science certified. So this is our technical squad, and I would like to introduce our technical lead, Aditya Birangal. He is extremely passionate about technology. He is self-taught developer and makes Android, iOS and web apps. He spent a lot of time in learning, innovating and developing new tech stuff. Aditya, you may introduce other members.
Yeah. So we have very nice team, like tech teams. So I would like to mention one by one. So there is Yogesh. You can see the second one, Yogesh Gaikwad. He is currently in third year and he is like a place in company, like he is working in Devops. that is related to cloud and all that. So he is very great in that. So you can like join the GDSC and interact with him, and yeah, he will can share a insight. Then second one is like Abhijit Gandhi. He is very good at ML stuff, machine learning and artificial intelligence stuff. He is also a freelancer and works for some clients in US also. So he is having like diverse experience of freelancing and ML. So yeah, you can learn from him also. Then there is Niranjan Gire. He is like very good at app development. Basically, he develop app using Java, and also he have many like other skills also. He is very good at Unity and game development. He has also formed one club like Animix clubs you might know. So yeah, he has very diverse experience. So yeah, and then is Aniket Kumar. So he is basically a web developer, and also he is exploring other fields also. Currently he is in first year and he has achieved many things. He primarily work in Mun stack, and also Python and Django he like the most. Yeah, so that basically takes team team, and yeah, so we'd like to help you and grow with you all. Thank you.
So this is our content trio, and I would like to introduce Simran Kaul. She is the lead of content team. Simran Kaul is a final year BTech student from Computer Engineering Department. She is an enthusiastic and self-motivated content developer. She is interested in various technologies, mostly data science, Android development, web development, and business analysis. Along with working on this technology stack, she maintains the documentation for each event or work undertaken. Simran, you may introduce your team.
Yeah, thank you, Srushti, for this nice welcome. Hello, everyone. As you have gone through my introduction, so I will introduce my content team, which includes two members, Athar and Sadaf. So, going one by one, first of all, Athar. Athar is the content writer member of GDSC. He is a sophomore pursuing BTech in electronics engineering and is working as content writer for our club. He really likes reading books and writing. He's very much into writing, whether it would be articles or anything, and he really enjoys it. And next is Sada. She's third year chemical engineering student who also loves writing, and I would really like to mention that Sadaf has many books published under her name, so I really recommend you to go through these books. And yeah, we are really very happy to include these two members in our team who loves writing, documentation, and all. That's about my team.
Thank you, Simran. So this is management duo, and the lead is Adarsh Jamwar. So I would like to introduce him. He is a third year BTech IT student. He is one of the guardian of GDSC. He is a GDSC's developer relation and management lead. He is a core member. His specialization is IT. He is into web development, app development, cloud computing, and Flutter. He is into GDSC like from the first year itself. So he can assure you the thrill and chill this club has. He will be there for you to help whenever you guys need him. Adesh, you may introduce.
Yeah, so I am having Tanishka Zaurani as my teammate. She is a second year student from IT branch. She is interested in web development and Google Cloud Computing. She is a very she has a positive mindset, and I can say that she is very chill. And towards learning new skills and managing things, she is very having positive mindset. Yeah, so we are duo that we will be looking towards the management work.
Okay, thank you for that nice introduction. Okay, so moving towards the social media team, this is our social media trio, and let me introduce Srushti. Okay, so Srushti Zadav, currently she is in third year computer engineering student, and she is enthusiastic, motivated, and versatile. She is a keen learner, a tech geek. She also knows photo and video editing, and she is also a designer as well as a social media strategies. So all of the stories and all of the posts you see that are by Srushti. So Srishti, you may introduce the social media team. Yeah.
Thank you, Pratik. So I will introduce Mitali Mane from my team. She is a first year communication design student from MIT School of Design. She is really passionate about art and music. She is good at Adobe Illustration, Photoshop, and video editing. And the other member from my team is Aditi S. She is an artist and design aspirant. Her interest lies in arts and design. She is good at AI, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop, and wants to do miracle in design world. She is also trained in classical singing.
Okay, great. So that was the full team behind the GDSC, and thank you, Srishti, for the introductions. Okay, so like let's say, how do you want, like you guys want to join GDSC? So what is the process and how you can become a member of GDSC? Okay, so let's see that. What is the process for that? So it is a very simple process. Okay, like you guys are seeing this QR code. So simply you can scan this QR code with your phone, and or you can go to this link bit.ly GDSC MITOE. Make sure the G is capital there. Just go to this link bit.ly/GDSC MITOE or scan this QR code. Okay, someone paste this link in the chat, please. Okay, so when you visit that link, you will be presented with this page. So you have to do is click on this join us button. When you click on this join us button, you will prompted to choose an account. So we prefer that you use your college mitoe.ac.in account for this. So it will be better for us to know like you are from our campus. And if you are not having the MITOE domain, you can also use your personal account. But we prefer, if you are a student of MITOE, please use the MITOE account. After choosing the account, you will have to fill up this simple sign up form. So first name, last name will be, and email will be already there. But let's say if you have your first name wrong, or if there is any mistake, just submit it right now. You can change that setting like in your profile later. So don't worry about that. Just fill out your city, country, and all of the details, and just click on the sign up button, which will be at the end of the form. And after that, you will be logged in to this event platform. So you will see your profile picture right here in this corner. And after that, please again click on the join us button, and you will be added as an official chapter member for the Google Developer Student Club's MITOE chapter. And you will get all the newsletters, all the event updates basically on that, and you will get all the emails from GDSC event platform. So this is the very simple process. That's it. That was the simple process that you have to join as a community member. There is not a lot of like very big selection criteria for it. Just you can simply go there and join. And if some friends of yours who is not in our college but they want to join, they can also join using their personal email IDs also. But make sure that they don't have any GDSC chapter in their college. So ask them if they have a GDSC chapter in their college, and tell them if you have already, then join that chapter. But if someone is not having, they can join our college chapter. They are welcome here. Okay, so this is one of the announcements. So we have made a public Discord server for our community. So we are having features like community chat. You guys can discuss projects, doubts and Q&A, memes. There are also some fun activities like memes, and we are also planning to have some gaming nights. And if some of you are anime fans, we have a dedicated channel for anime. You guys can post a lot of things about animes and many more. I will show you guys the Discord server right now, and what are the different channels and how you guys can join the Discord server. Okay, so this is basically our Discord server right now. So basically this is the welcome channel. You will be prompted when you join using the link. So just link will be provided in the chat. And when you join, just introduce yourself in this channel, introduce what you are interested in, what what are your interest and did you join GDSC, something like that. And you can also tell some fun facts about yourself, and make sure you go through these community guidelines here. Like these are some rules for our Discord server. Okay, so basically, and these are some of the channels. So all of the important announcements about events and all of those things will be made on this channel. We have also a channel named as Tech Talks. So some technical stuff you guys can post here. You can ask your doubts here. Like if you have any doubts, let's say you are learning Flutter or any Google technology or any other technology. If you have any doubt, we have a lot of people who can help you to clear those doubts. Just simply just simply message it here and you will get a reply from our side. And this is our community chat, so basically you can have fun, you can get to know other people here. And this is a random channel, you can like tell random things here, post random things. And these are two voice channels we have made, talk one talk two. If you want to talk with your friends, you can just hop on those channels and you can have a good meet and greet. And this is a tech section. So basically we have separated using cloud, web dev, app dev. So any opportunities related to cloud web development will be posted on the Discord server. So you guys can avail those opportunities, and you can also ask doubts about this open source and AIML in those particular channel. So don't mix things up. And this is the event. So if let's say we are having an event, basically podcast type of event in future, so we will be having it on our Discord server. And there is a chill zone also here. So basically there is a casual chat. So you can share memes like this, funny memes, and you can talk about anime. Okay, so one of the our team member Niranjan Gire has made an app for, so he has shared that app also in the anime channel. So you guys can definitely share your a lot of things if you are anime fans. Okay, if you are a gaming fan, you can plan out gaming sessions with your community members and have some fun gaming sessions. And if you are into music, we also have a music bot. So basically you can just hop into this music channel and listen to some great tunes. So this is basically our Discord server. A lot of people are joining right now. Okay, Suraj Rathod, Kaustubh, Kisgod, a lot of people are joining. So when you are joining, just introduce yourself in the introduction channel section, so other people will get to know about you and what are your interests. And we are expecting a lot of response from your side, and we are going to plan some fun activities on Discord, some gaming nights, maybe some movie nights in the future. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so everyone is welcome on here. I guess a lot of people are joining and introducing themselves. So please feel free to message and ask doubts. Please do it in the respected section that we have made, Tech Talks projects, and please go through the community guidelines so you will get a clear idea. Okay, so I hope that was clear about Discord, and we are planning a lot of great sessions on Discord also, so please join. Okay, so that is all about Discord. Okay, so that was all about our Discord server. So you can share it with your friends. You can share this link with anyone and tell them join this amazing Discord server. And if you guys have any suggestions, so how we can make Discord better, if you are a pro in Discord, so you guys can also have the permission to become a mod in our Discord. So please reach out to me and also reach out on Discord, so we'll talk about it. And please, if you guys have any suggestions for Discord, please drop it in the random section, or we'll create a new channel for that. So just post your suggestions there, so how we can make this Discord server more great and have more fun activities there. Okay, so that's all from our side, that's all. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask, raise your hand or type in the chat. If you raise your hand, we'll give you permission to turn on your mic and you can talk with us. And if you want to become a member, just go to scan this QR code and join our Discord server as I mentioned. And these are all of our social media handles, so you can reach out to us there. And this is our mail ID, dsc@mitao.ac.in. So if you have any queries, you can also drop an email to us. We will get back to you as soon as possible. So yeah, that was all from our side. Thank you for joining. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask right now, so we can have a little Q&A session. If you have any questions about DSC and any activities. Okay, so regarding the recording of this event, we are going to upload this recording on the YouTube. So as soon as the recording is published, we will send emails to everyone. So please check for that. Kaustubh is saying complete step में problem आ रहा है, it's not completing. Okay, what is the problem? What happens when you tap on the complete?
Guys, one more thing, please introduce yourself, because there are some of you are from second year and some are from third year, and you also know that it's going in a virtual mode, so we don't know each other. So it will be good if you introduce yourself in the introduction platform, so we will get to know what you are interested in and whom you are.
Yes. Okay. Kaustubh is having some problem regarding Discord. So can you mention the problem in detail, because I'm not sure. Because when you tap on complete, you should be able to join the Discord server. A lot of people have joined. Maybe try on your PC. Maybe is there any WhatsApp? Okay, we are having two community WhatsApp groups. Once you become a member of GDSC, we are planning to send out emails to everyone who is not there. But right now, Aditya has pasted the link, so you can simply join here. But if you are already in the group, one group, please don't join in the other group. It's a kind request from my side. So just remain in the first group or the second group. Don't join both of the groups. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, please type it in the chat, or maybe you can raise your hand. Question could be about anything. Okay, Kaustubh has raised hand. Okay, Kaustubh, he lowered the hand. Okay, no problem.
I have allowed Kaustubh to open. I have given him the mic permission, so he can speak. I think so.
Yeah.
Audible?
Yes, you're audible.
No, I don't have any problem. I just want to introduce myself. I have just passed out from first year, and I want to join this club. That's it.
Okay, thank you for that. Discord, no, it's actually an official, you can say official space for the club, not an unofficial. Okay, how Mohammed is asking how to become a technical member. So right now applications for team are closed now. You can join as a community member, but maybe you can try next year when the applications are out for the next cohort of GDSC. So keep an eye out for that in the next year. Okay, if anyone else had some question, please type it in the chat or raise their hand. Otherwise, the session is concluded and you can leave the session. And if you have any questions, please drop it in the chat. Okay, how GDSC can help us, and will it help us in uplifting our resume? So basically, yes, if you are working in a community, so you can show the recruiter that you have worked in a community and in a group, so they will know that you have a basic idea about how to work in a team and how to work in a project centric development environment, so that will be helpful for you. And if you make it up to the team next year, so that will be one of the major key highlights in your resume, because you will receive a certificate if you are a team member. Yeah, please, as Yogesh Bhaiya said, please pick up. If you have doubts in mind, please ask. Don't quit the session. No, actually, as I mentioned, it is an official and it's a mix of both. There is nothing like official and unofficial. Yeah.
Also go through like guidelines and rules, like unofficial है तो कुछ भी डाल दिया, ऐसा नहीं.
हाँ.
Unofficial है but ज़्यादा ठीक से unofficial. हाँ.
Like you guys can have fun, but किसी को insult नहीं करना है, बस basically वो चीजें ध्यान में रखें. Okay, is it required to excel in any programming language to be a part of GDSC? So basically, the answer to this question is no, in simple terms. So as I mentioned before, if you are a beginner, okay, you can join GDSC as a community member. You can learn from these sessions and you can excel in that language. GDSC will provide sources and various sessions for you if you want to learn a specific thing. Yeah, please drop the WhatsApp group. Okay, Niranjan dropped it. Yeah, actually, I answered that already.
See, I think that that question, that Discord is Discord unofficial. See guys, if you are having any problem, we all are one of your friends. It's not like don't treat us like a teacher or faculty. We are with you and we will help you. Just ask your doubts there. But it's not that official that there are faculties and all. You just can ask each and every problems. And if you are having any, if you need any suggestions, we are also having some of our members who are working in a IT sector and corporate field. So each and every one of us can guide you. So you can ask freely there.
And don't feel like official है कुछ ज़्यादा. मीम्स वगैरह डालो यार, मस्त मजा करो उसमें, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मस्त मीम्स डालो बनाकर, किसी को बनाना है तो वी कैन हैव फन विथ एंड ऑल्सो गेन नॉलेज इन. सो एक तीर में दो निशाने लग जाएंगे, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. या वी हैव मेड एंड चिल जोन. ओके, तो वहाँ पे किसी को म्यूजिक सुनना है, जाओ म्यूजिक सुनो. कुछ चैट करना है गेम्स के बारे में, वो भी कर सकते हो. गेम सेशंस ऑर्गेनाइज करना है. तुम लोग बोले कि हम जीडीएससी की कम्युनिटी में हमें एक मूवी नाइट ऑर्गेनाइज करनी है या गेम नाइट ऑर्गेनाइज करनी है, तो वो भी हम लोग सोचेंगे. उसके बारे में भी डिस्कॉर्ड पे हम लोग गेम नाइट्स एंड मूवी नाइट्स रख सकते हैं.
Even we can matches in the October month. Cross-platform or Android or web development, which have better opportunities in the tech?
I think Aditya can answer this question.
Yeah. Even Yogesh Bhaiya can answer.
I guess both are like equally important. If you are in first year, then cross-platform also, it's depend on which cross-platform you are talking about. If you are talking about React Native, then yeah, it's have like a mature market, so you can get job in that. If you are talking about Flutter, but that is also not yet mature, but yeah, if you are in first year, then when you will be in fourth year, then that time you will get lot of opportunity. Even I am like Flutter developer, and I also got too many opportunities through Flutter. So, but it's like basically depends on you. But ऐसा मत करना कि मतलब आधा अधूरा कर लिया. किसी भी एक चीज में अगर तुम परफेक्ट हो जाओ तो उसमें आज नहीं तो कल तुमको बेनिफिट ही होगा. तो देखो कि तुमको किस में ज्यादा मजा आ रहा है. क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म में आ रहा है तो क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म करो.
I guess he's asking about Flutter. So
but जिसमें भी करना है उसको में पोर्ट देना है.
Yes. Okay, Yogesh Bhaiya answered in the chat. Still you choose any of the roadmap. Please keep in mind that technology get evolves day by day, and so just be a quick learner so that you can learn anything. Yeah, it's a very important thing to keep in mind. Okay, so keep the questions coming. We still have some time left.
Also, yeah, I wanted to mention one thing, like the Google Pay app, which you see on on your Android phone. I don't know about iOS, but in Android phone, the Google Pay app is made using Flutter. So you can see like it's maturing now. So yeah, in some years, everyone can use, and there will be huge market for Flutter. So you can go learn that too.
So Dream 11 is also one of the apps made from Flutter.
A very important point mentioned by Yogesh Bhai, don't call anyone sir or madam here. So you can just take our first names. Like there is no as terms as senior or something like that. We all are students here.
Okay, Pratik, we can conclude.
Okay. So I think thank you everyone for joining, and those who got on the podium for the Kahoot, please drop your Instagram handles so we can give a shout out to you guys. And thank you everyone for joining. And this was a great session. I hope everyone enjoyed. And I think we'll stop here. Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye. Yes. Okay. Yeah, about the recording, as I mentioned, we have recorded this session and it will be on YouTube. We are posting this video on YouTube, so you will get a notification about it. Okay, thank you. Once again, thank you everyone for joining. Thank you the team, and thank you Srushti for hosting a great event. Okay, so I think we'll conclude here, and bye bye everyone. Have a good day.